Hi everybody, welcome back. It's a really quick and easy one today. I'm going to show you how to make hummus. But not just any hummus, we're going to make peanut butter hummus. It's really nice to have as a snack with like celery or breadsticks or peppers, or as it's barbecue season, it's really nice to have alongside your meat and your salads. You can have it in a jack potato, anything. It's really versatile and it's always great to have some in the fridge. So, as I said, it's very quick and easy to do this one. All our ingredients are here. We need chickpeas, peanut butter, salt, olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and a little bit of paprika for later on. Okay, so simple. We're gonna pour in the chickpeas. We're gonna squeeze the lemon. So we need about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. If I were you, I'd put 2 in first, and you can do the taste test and see if you want any more a bit later. So I'm going to put in 2 at the start. I've got 2 garlic cloves that I've crushed in there. Go in. We need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2. And we need 2 to 3 tablespoons of the peanut butter. Oops, a days. I mean, it doesn't really matter which peanut butter you use because I've got a bit of a crunchy one here. You can use smooth or crunchy. It doesn't really matter. This is a bit of a fiddle, isn't it? So 2, I'm going 2.5. 2.5 I'm going. There we go. And it goes. You can adapt this. You know, when you've whizzed it up and you give it a little taste, if you think it needs more garlic or more salt or more anything, you can just put it in. Simple. Oh, good Lord. Right, and a little bit of salt. Brings out the flavour and everything. There we go, put that in. Put the lid on. What have I forgotten? Lemon juice. No, it's in there. Whiz it up. Turn it on. Okay, well, it's looking kind of like the right consistency. Maybe a little bit thick. Right, I'm going to give it a little taste to see if I need to add anything to it. It's pretty good, but I think it needs a bit more lemon. I'm just going to chuck a bit more lemon in. If it's a bit thick, like sometimes, it depends on the chickpeas that you buy actually. Sometimes it can be thicker than others and it can be smoother than others. You can either put in a bit of water or alternatively you can use a bit of natural yogurt, which is really nice to smooth it out a bit, okay? All right, we'll give it another whiz. Okay, clean spoon, don't put the spoon in twice. Give it another taste. Perfecto! Now that is just delicious. I can't wait. I cannot wait. See, I told you it was quick and easy. Now, I've cut up some veggies to have with mine. I've got some yellow pepper, cucumber, red pepper, celery, and I've got some crisp breads. You can use crisps if you want, or Doritos as well to dip in. I've sprinkled a bit of paprika on the top of mine, makes it look a bit fancy. So this is lovely just to have as a snack throughout the day with these veggies, or this is lovely to have on your table at the barbecue or at a party. And yeah, so get in there. Delicious, as expected.